My name is Kevin Kent. I'm with Domino's Pizza. I lead physical security initiatives for the brand that encompasses things like our World Resource Center in Ann Arbor, Michigan, along with our newly developed Innovation Center and our 27 supply chain centers in North America. ALICE training is important because it allows you to be better prepared in a situation of a violent critical incident or an active shooter situation. You get almost this ripple effect when ALICE comes to your organization. You get the team members that go through the training and are talking about it then after the fact with their families. So while it's secondhand information and secondhand training, so to speak, it's ultimately good information to know, good information to share. Everybody should go through this training, young or old, it doesn't matter who you are. It's very impactful, it's very empowering, and really it could save your life one day. People have families to go home to. Safety should be a #1 priority in any organization. You know, people here are genuine, and it's really refreshing. I mean, it's been great the entire time. So.